Hey, foodies. Are you tired of battling food intolerances that make eating a hassle? Well, today, we're diving into the incredible world of plant-based diets and discovering how they can be game changers for those dealing with food intolerances. Plant-based diets are more than just a trend, they're a lifestyle revolution. With countless health benefits, one area where they truly shine is in alleviating food intolerances. If you're lactose intolerant, gluten-sensitive, or facing other dietary challenges, plant-based eating offers delicious, nutritious solutions that could transform your life. Let's face it, food intolerances can be a real challenge in our everyday lives. From annoying digestive issues to uncomfortable skin reactions, food intolerances can make life feel like a constant battle. And let's not forget the social hurdles, like navigating restaurant menus or dinner parties when you're constantly worried about hidden ingredients. It can be stressful, right? But fear not, because plant-based diets come to the rescue. By focusing on whole, plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, you can enjoy a wide variety of nutrient-rich alternatives that are gentle on your digestive system. These foods are naturally free from many common allergens, making them a safe and delicious choice for those with food intolerances. Imagine swapping cow's milk for creamy almond or oat milk, replacing wheat-based pasta with gluten-free quinoa pasta, or enjoying hearty veggie burgers instead of meat. The options are endless, and they're as tasty as they are beneficial. Now, let's explore the key benefits of a plant-based diet for managing food intolerances. Here are some amazing ways this diet can transform your health. Improved digestion. Many have reported better digestive health by avoiding common irritants like lactose and gluten. Clearer skin. A cleaner diet often leads to clearer skin, free from rashes and inflammation. Increased energy levels. Plant-based foods are packed with nutrients, giving you a natural energy boost without the crash. In summary, adopting a plant-based diet can truly be a game changer for those with food intolerances. By choosing plant-powered meals, you nourish your body with nutrient-dense foods that support your health and well-being. Overcome food intolerance symptoms and embrace a vibrant, thriving you. So, why not give plant-based eating a try? Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet and see how your body responds. Trust me, the journey to better health begins with just one plant-based meal. Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how plant-based eating has impacted your health and well-being. And remember, if you're looking for more inspiration and recipes, check out the description below for exclusive resources. Your journey to a healthier, happier life is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and here's to a delicious and intolerance-free life.